Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Developer. In this video we will learn how you can convert a JSON string into an object. Suppose here I have an object of student which contains the ID, first name, last name, roll number, mobile number and the phone number. So you can see that using the JSON.jar. In my last video I've already showed you that how you can convert a object to the JSON string. Now suppose I have the student JSON string and now I want to convert this into the student object. Then how we can do in using the JSON.jar. So you don't need anything. Just use the JSON.jar in this way. Like you want to convert the object, JSON string to the object of student. So create an object for that, and suppose I am creating an object of student. So student object from JSON. So you need the JSON object which we have already created. So JSON dot method from JSON for this the string, because we have the JSON string available. So the JSON we have already, that is a student JSON, student JSON, and the type of class in which we want to convert it. So we want to convert it into the student class. So it will return me the student object from the JSON. So what you need to do is just print the object and we can check that the string JSON is converted to the student object perfectly. So we have just done. So let's check. As you can see, first I have printed the student to string, so which has given me this, and after that I have created the JSON string for that object, which is this, and again after that I have that JSON and I want to convert into the student object again. Then what I did, I used the created object of the JSON, or you can create a new object, and then using the from JSON method we just need to pass the string JSON which you have available, and after that in which class or which type of object you want to convert. So I said that I want to convert this JSON string into the student object, so it has converted the student JSON into the student object. For this, you should always remember that though the field in the JSON, that is a key is the main thing which is required here to convert the JSON string to object. Those key should have the getters and setters for in the class, and then it will without any problem convert the JSON string into an object. So thank you for watching this video guys. Please kindly subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. If you like this video, please like, share with other people. Thank you.